Hi guys, I've got 60 seconds to tell you how to simplify your diet. Eat 2 to 3 times a day only. No snacking in between. That means nothing. No lollies, no sugar-free stuff, no nothing. So, and eat when you eat that two to three meals a day. Fill yourself up. Don't stuff yourself, but fill yourself so you're full, so you don't need to eat until the next meal. So breakfast, lunch, dinner, max. Yeah. Eat predominantly plants. So fill your plate with plants, which includes lentils and beans, and have a small side of meat. And move, exercise. And don't eat when you're not hungry, and only eat when you're hungry. So that's it, really, really simplified, and will help you with all the other bits that are complicated. See ya.